Hello everyone, today we will be doing chapter 10 exercise of class 7 respiration in organisms question answers. So let's start the question answers of chapter number 10 respiration in organisms. Part A, very short answer questions, answer in one word. Question number 1, name the process of taking oxygen into the cells, using it for producing energy and removing the gaseous waste. So what this process is called? It is called respiration. Remember, oxygen into the cells. So question number 2, what is the number of breathing per minute called? It's called breathing rate. The number of times a person breathes is called breathing rate. Question number 3, what does air we breathe enters the lungs? How does the air we breathe enters the lung? So through trachea and bronchi. Question number 4, name the respiratory organ of frog. So it's lungs and skin. Question number 5, where does respiration occur in plants? So it occurs in mitochondria. Now let's come to the B part. So now B part, question number 1. Name the two types of respiration. What is the basic difference between the two? So there are two types of respiration, namely aerobic and anaerobic respiration. The basic difference between the two types of respiration is that aerobic respiration takes place in presence of oxygen, while anaerobic respiration takes place in absence of oxygen. Question number 2, what happens to the ribs and the diaphragm during inhalation and exhalation? So during inhalation, the ribs move up and outwards and the diaphragm moves down, and during exhalation, the ribs move down and inwards and the diaphragm moves up. Question number 3, describe the stomatal apparatus. So the stomatal opening surrounded by guard cells and several subsidiary cells is called stomatal apparatus. Question number 4, what is meant by fermentation? So respiration that takes place in absence of air is called fermentation. Now question number 5, how do fish respire? So fish respire through gills. The blood vessels present in the capillaries of gills absorb dissolved oxygen in water and carry it to the body tissues. See long answer type questions, answer in 20 to 25 words. Question number 1, state the role of diaphragm and rib muscles in breathing. So as we breathe in, the diaphragm and muscles attached to the ribs contract, due to which the chest cavity expands, means becomes large. Because of this, air from outside is sucked into the lungs and fills the alveoli. The oxygen of air diffuses from the alveoli walls into the blood. Next, question number 2 of C part, differentiate between respiration and breathing. So answer in these are the points of breathing and respiration. Now breathing is a physical process involving exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide, and respiration is a biochemical process involving the complete breakdown of food we eat to produce carbon dioxide and water energy. It occurs outside the cells and respiration occurs inside the cells. Number 3, no enzyme is involved in this process, and in respiration enzymes are involved at certain stages of respiration. Question number point number 4, no energy is evolved or absorbed, and in respiration energy is released in controlled and stepwise manner. Now question number 3, explain the mechanism of breathing in humans. So answer, during inhalation, first the ribs move up and outwards, second the diaphragm moves down. Now these movements increase the volume of chest cavity and the lungs expand. As a result, pressure inside the lungs decreases and fresh air rushes into the lungs. And during inhalation, chest expands. So during exhalation, first the ribs move down and inwards, second the diaphragm moves up, Now, due to these movements, volume of chest cavity decreases and the lungs contract. As a result, pressure inside the lungs increases and the air is pushed out of the lungs. Question number 4. Describe briefly the respiratory organs of the following: humans, earthworm, cockroach, and fish. So let's start with humans first. The main organs of the human respiratory system are nose, nasal passage, trachea, bronchi, lungs, and diaphragm. Second, earthworms. Earthworms breathe through their skin. Their skin has a large number of blood capillaries. Earthworms absorb oxygen from the air in their blood through their moist skin. 3. Cockroach. Cockroach has a respiratory system consisting of a network of branched air tubes called trachea. These air tubes have openings called spiracles on the body surface. The spiracles open and close to allow the gases to move in and out. Oxygen-rich air enters the tracheal tubes through spiracles and diffuses into the body tissues and reaches every cell of the body. In the same way, carbon dioxide from this cell goes into trachea and move out through spiracles. 4. Fish. Fishes have a special respiratory organ called gills. Gills are made up of large number of fine capillaries containing blood vessels. These blood vessels absorb dissolved oxygen present in water and carry it to the body tissues. The blood vessels also bring back carbon dioxide from the cells to the gills. Gills pass this carbon dioxide to the surrounding water. So this was your question 4. Bye everyone. Have a nice day. Great day. If you have not seen the notes 1 video in which I am telling the important points of chapter 10, so please see that, because they are notes of chapter 10 which will help you in your exams.